Good, eh?
You okay?
Nervous?
It's normal to be nervous.
Oh my God.
Got some viewers to say something, yeah?
Bye bye. Love you.
Yeah.
Welcome back to a new vlog. We are in a plane, a very tiny one. I'm a little nervous, and we are gonna fly to Livingstone, which is at Victoria Falls on the Zambia side. And yeah, Max is gonna wait for us here. He arrived last night, and now we're gonna take off. Hello guys! So there was a little break in my vlog and I'm so sorry for this, but I still am sick. I thought I like fully recovered, but like my stomach has been upset already for like a week. I've been going like straight to the bathroom every time I try to like eat something, or I've been like throwing up, and it's been very annoying and tough, but we're in a super nice hotel right now, and Max is here. He's actually not here right now because my family's on like a rafting tour trip, and today's actually the first day that I feel better, so I was like, rafting might be a little bit tricky. And then tomorrow we're gonna go back to Zimbabwe and we're gonna go on a safari. I'm going to put some sunscreen on, and then we're gonna go to the swimming pool. Yay! We love this music, eh, Papa?
Oh, it's very nice.
So nice. Good morning, guys. Today I'm completely recovered and I'm so happy. Everyone is getting into little buses right now. My dad and my brother are going to Zimbabwe, pick up the, it sounds like a super far away, but it's just over the river. And Max, my mom, and I are going to the Fig Falls. They already went, I couldn't go, so yeah, very exciting. Hey Max, you finally arrived.
Mwah.
You arrived a couple days ago, but now you arrive in my vlog. Let's go. Okay guys, in my New Year's resolution vlog I said I was a little bit scared of heights, and that I was going to do something like a parachute jump, or like bungee jumping or something. We are here at the Victoria Falls at the bridge between Zambia and Zimbabwe, and it is very famous for bungee jumping. So Max and I are going to do, tell them, the bungee swing. So it's basically a bungee jump, but not upside down. It's like more sitting. So step in here.
Yes. Oh, sorry.
Sanne, weet je dat zeker wat je aan het doen bent?
Nee.
Je kunt nu nog terug, hè? Ja, kom terug. Jules neemt zomaar je plaats over.
You nervous?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi. so much fun.
Are they good?
I'm still shaking though.
Yeah.
But you know what was the scariest part?
Yeah.
Going up.
Coming up.
Yeah. Because then you're like super
You're hearing it
slowly
going creak, creak, creak.
going up, and then on that bridge, like climbing back. Oh, it was a lot
Well
of fun.
done.
Have you?
So much fun. Surprise. Okay, so this here is the real deal. I think, yeah, this is the biggest waterfall I've ever seen. I'm getting all wet though. I didn't bring a hat like them. Very smart.
People in America, they go into barrels and they
Oh, hold on. Okay, we arrived some close by the lodge, but we have to put all our luggage into this one and then we're gonna continue driving. Wow.
Oh, nice.
Wow.
Yeah, it's our little
It's
piece of
so pretty.
This is really paradise.
We like it every now and again.
Wow.
Wowie.
No, you carry on. You carry on.
Wow.
Er zit al eentje daar. Eentje wachten al.
Born and bred.
Oh my god, it's so pretty here.
Okay,
So pretty. And a little lake there where animals can drink. See a little campfire spot. Yeah. Max first safari. Got a glass of wine. So happy.
She decided to come for you.
Wow. And there's so many elephants coming. By the
Yeah,
way,
so when they get too close,
crap
then you
after
just get into the
everything.
car.
Wow, there are elephants
We are in the car.
over there.
There's a bunch of little they can stay.
Over there.
What are we drinking?
Words can just not describe how like
Gin?
peaceful and like,
Gin, yeah.
and the elephant looks so amazing. Like that whole like you walk like an elephant doesn't make any sense because they're so quiet. and peaceful. So, Mama and I are all wrapped up because it's getting so cold.
Heading back home.
Yeah, we're gonna head back home. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. Yeah, I feel the travel vlogs are one of my favorites. I just love to travel and I love to share like all these moments with you guys. Ooh. Ta-da! Found it! Anyway, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe for all future adventures. And see you guys very soon.
See you
Have a good night.
Bye. See you tomorrow at the next session.
And what do we say to the new people? Don't forget to subscribe.
Oh, don't forget to subscribe to see what's going on.
Oh my god, there's an elephant on the street.
I have to keep.
Wait.
Oh my god.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Bye.
Sometimes they are so